With Rocketspark e-commerce, you can set up an online store quickly and start selling. It's great for e-commerce startups and people just starting out on their e-commerce journey thanks to our hands-on support and 5-star rated ease of use. Plus, with a range of carefully selected best-in-class e-commerce add-ons, you can scale your e-commerce business with Rocketspark without getting overwhelmed by hundreds of plugins and techie customizations. To add your first product, go to your store page and click Add Product, or you can bulk upload products using a CSV file. Or if you want to use an inventory management software like TradeGecko or Vend, you can import your products from them and keep your products in sync. You can add categories, brands, and tags, which then appear on your shop homepage to help buyers filter the products they want to see. You can also add a description, upload images, and set a status of your products. Set up shipping rates for different types of items, size, weight groupings, countries, and regions, as well as in-store pickup. Learn more about shipping in the Rocketspark blog post, The Secrets of a Successful Shipping Strategy, E-commerce Shipping Rates Explained. Rocketspark also includes powerful inventory management out of the box. Setting up variants for a product will show us a drop-down selector on the page for buyers. You can then set price and stock availability by variant.